Hello, in this video we are going to take up temperature conversion, particularly the temperature conversion between degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit, also from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. We will see both the conversions. So Celsius is a scale of temperature, Fahrenheit is a scale of temperature. You have got many other scales of temperature, but we will confine our studies only between these two, Celsius to Fahrenheit, the interconversion, how to do the conversion from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Celsius was originally called as centigrade. Centigrade or Celsius. Centigrade is very older name, okay, but doesn't matter, we can also use interchangeably centigrade for Celsius. Okay, now we see how to do the conversion. There is a formula to convert from, so to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. We'll have to be very careful about the spelling. Okay, the formula is, see, you have to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So Fahrenheit temperature F is equal to 9 by 5C. This is 9, okay, 9 by 5C plus 32. That's all, very simple. So Celsius to Fahrenheit conversion, you can use this formula. Example, we will take an example. Convert 25 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit scale, into degree Fahrenheit. So write the formula, F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. You are given Celsius scale. So for C you substitute 25. So this becomes 9 by 5 into 25 plus 32. That's all. You have to only do this. Wherever C comes, you put the number corresponding to Celsius temperature. Now you simplify. This is 5, this is 25. So 5 times 5 into 9, 45. This is 32, so plus 32. Add, you will get 77. Therefore, the answer is 77 degree Fahrenheit. As simple as this. So finally we can write 25 degree C is equal to 77 degree Fahrenheit. Understood? Suppose you want to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, right? Of course you can use the same formula. There is another formula also, you can derive that formula, but doesn't need to know both the formulas. With one formula itself we can manage. You can use the same formula. What is it? F is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. Is it clear? Now we will convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. For example, I just give you 50 degree Fahrenheit. So example, convert 50 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. Into Celsius, 50 degree Fahrenheit into Celsius scale. How to do that? Now what is given? Fahrenheit scale is given. So wherever F is put here, you substitute 50. For F, you put 50. And simplify for C. So 50 is equal to 9 by 5 into C plus 32. We want to find C. So what you can do? 9 by 5 into C is equal to 50 minus 32, which is 18. Therefore 9C is equal to 18 into 5, which is 90. Therefore C is equal to 90 by 9, which is equal to 10. So it will be 10 degrees Celsius. 50 degree Fahrenheit will be 10 degrees Celsius. So you can write the final answer as 50 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 10 degree C. So we are using same formula. Suppose you do not want to use the same formula. I want a special separate formula for conversion from Fahrenheit to Celsius. You can derive that formula from this. Okay, very simple. I just tell you how to derive that formula. We have seen this formula already. Which formula? Celsius to Fahrenheit formula. We have seen like this already. F is equal to 9 by 5C plus 32. This we use to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. We have seen this already. Now we want another formula which can be used to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius. That you can derive from this. F is here, 9 by 5C plus 32 is here. This plus 32, you take to the left side. You will get F minus 32 is equal to 9 by 5 into C. We want C. Therefore, we write like this: 9 by 5 into C, F minus 32. But we want C. C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. That's all. Right? Now, whatever temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius to be converted, that you can substitute in place of F. So we take an example. Okay. What example we are going to take? Say convert 104 degree Fahrenheit into degree Celsius. So use this formula. C is equal to 5 by 9 into F minus 32. In place of F, you will have to put 104 is equal to 5 by 9, 104 minus 32. So this is equal to 5 by 9. 104 minus 32 will be 72. If you subtract 104, 32, you will get 72. Cancel 8 times, so 40. Therefore the answer is 40 degree C. That is 104 degree Fahrenheit is equal to 40 degree C is the final answer. Have you understood this? Okay.